Hey everyone, it is your man Joe. Just to let you guys know that I finally moved out of my family's place and got my own. See here it is. Here's my car. Hold on. See they have my stuff right back there in the back seat, and I'm just here in the parking lot right now. Um, this is a beautiful day. I got the sky right here. I got the roof over my head. It's awesome. It's great. So you're probably wondering, Joe, why aren't you getting an apartment or a house or something? Well, like they said that in order for me to get a house, they pass a law. I think they pass a law that where I have to get myself vaccinated in order to get the apartment. Yes. Yeah. Since I'm not really much, I don't like the idea of, the whole vaccination. I want to, make sure hundreds of other people try first before I do it. And maybe in 5, 10, 50, 20 years, then I'll make that decision to get it vaccinated. But until then, this is my house right now. Oh man, I got the lights on. Um, uh, I gotta make sure I pay the electricity bill in this car. Yeah, so that's why this is gonna be my new house, my new residential stay. Make sure the police don't find me. Hold on. Oh, there's the police right there. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. I don't think they saw me. Did they see me? No, I don't think they saw me. Yeah. So this is the new normal, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. It's your man Joe.